Okay, now the new exercise 7.1, question number 1. Question number 1 is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC and AD are equal and AB bisect angle A. Now the figure is given, so I'm just drawing the figure first, and the marking are ABCD, A, B, C and D. So what is given first? गिवन में क्या है भाई, क्या दिया हुआ है गिवन में? क्या गिवन है कि AC and AD are equal, AC and AD are equal, AC equal to AD, and AB bisect angle A, or you can say, I'm just putting angle 1 and angle 2, इसको 1 and 2 लिख देते हैं, ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. Angle 1 and angle 2, so I'm just writing here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So what is given? AC and AD are equal, AB bisect angle A. So I'm just putting here angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So which part what we are going to prove? We are proving that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. And again, the second part which he is asking what about BC and BD. So we are proving BC and BD are also equal. So how to prove it? Prove. In proof, which part we are going to prove? The triangle is already given. Which triangles? ABC and ABD we are proving. Triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, they are congruent, we prove. So which part are given? When we observe both the triangle, some parts are given, 2 parts are given. So ABC में क्या given है? इस ABC में given है AC is equal to AD and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Or although you can say AB bisect angle A, तो मैंने सीधा यहाँ लिख दिया A, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Third part हमें ढूंढना है कि whether we will apply SAS, SSS or ASA or AAS. But we have one side of one angle, so we cannot apply SSS. Side congruency rule we cannot apply. तो एक साइड और एक एंगल दिया, इसका मतलब या तो हम SAS अप्लाई करेंगे या AAS अप्लाई करेंगे या ASA अप्लाई करेंगे. So एक साइड है और एक एंगल है. But when we observe both the triangle ABC and triangle ABD, what we got? We got AB and AB are common. AB and AB are common. These 2 parts are given, so we just write down given and it's common. AB and AB are common. So 2 sides and included angle. You can see 2 sides and included angle are equal. So by SAS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Now this is our first part. Second में क्या है कि what about BC and BD? So BC and BD are also equal. Why? With the rule by CPCT. With the help of CPCTC, we can say that BC and BD are equal. So what is the full form of CPCTC? CPCTC means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal or congruent or same, you can say. Means if 2 triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are also equal. आपकी 2 ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं तो बाकी के पार्ट भी आपके इक्वल होंगे, उनको आपको प्रूफ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप सिंपल CPCT से लिख सकते हैं कि बाय CPCTC BC and BD are equal, और यू कैन से एंगल 3 and एंगल 4 आर इक्वल. ठीक है, ये भी आप बोल सकते हैं कि एंगल 3 and एंगल 4 आर इक्वल, बट वो पूछा नहीं है तो हम सिंपल लिखेंगे BC and BD are equal. So this is our question number first. Now move on question number second. Figure is given. So again I'm drawing the figure. फिगर को थोड़ा अलग से ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ मैं, जो दिया वैसे नहीं, इसको थोड़ा अलग टाइप से ड्रॉ करेंगे. AB is a base, ABCD. A, B, C and D. So when you join BC and EC and CD. This is a given quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD में क्या given है? AD and BC are equal. Angle A and angle B are also equal. So what is given? Given है आपका AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. और दूसरा आपको दिया है एंगल A. इसको अगर पूरा एंगल लिखेंगे तो लिख सकते हैं इसको BAD is equal to angle ABC. So these two parts are given. प्रूफ क्या करना है हमें प्रूफ करना है, इसमें तीन पार्ट प्रूफ करने हैं. पहला है फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. एंड सेकंड है आपका जो प्रूफ करना है आपको BD is equal to AC. और थर्ड पार्ट जो प्रूफ करना है आपको वो है एंगल ABD is equal to angle BAC. एंगल BAC. सो अगेन वही देखो, आपको ट्रायंगल तो ऑलरेडी दे दिया है, किस ट्रायंगल को प्रूफ करना है, ट्रायंगल ABD एंड BAC. सो अगेन इन ट्रायंगल ABD एंड ट्रायंगल BAC. सो पहले हम देखेंगे दोनों ट्रायंगल का कौन कौन से पार्ट्स आपके इक्वल दिए हुए हैं. तो ABD और ABC या BAC का जो पार्ट्स इक्वल दिए पहले वो लिख लेंगे. सो नाउ यू कैन सी AD एंड BC आर इक्वल. AD of ABD and BC of BAC are given. So I'm just writing the first one, AD equal to BC. Second part, the second part which is given is, which one is given? AB equal to angle A equal to angle A equal to angle B. आप पूरा लिख लें, मैंने शॉर्ट में लिख दिया एंगल A and angle B are equal. Now we find out the third part. Again, when we observe both the triangle, we found AB and AB is common. You can see when we read the triangles ABD and BAC, so AB is common. AB is included in both the triangles. So again we can say AB is equal to AB. It's common. And these two parts are ये given था आपका. Again by SAS congruency rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. And rest of the two parts we can say by CPCT they are equal. CPCT rule का हम यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे. So again by CPCTC BD is equal to AC and angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. BD is a part of ABD and AC is a part of BAC. So by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, we can say BD and AC are equal, angle ABD and BAC are equal. So this is our question number second. Now move on question number third. Question number third. In question number third, figure is given and I'm just drawing the figure first. A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. And they are 90 degree perpendicular to each other and this intersecting point O. Given is AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. And angle A and angle B are 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree each. We prove, what we prove here? We prove that CD bisect AB. CD bisect AB. CD bisect AB. CD bisect AB means, or you can say OA is equal to OB. OA and OB are the part of triangle AOD and BOC. So we need to prove both the triangles. Triangle first one is AOD and BOC. So in triangle AOD and triangle BOC, we need to prove both the triangle. So in AOD and BOC, what is given? AOD का जो AD है, AD is already equal to BC, it's given. Angle A and angle B are equal, 90 degree each, 90 degree each, and this is already given. And means we have one side and one angle. Again we have one side and one angle, whether we find out a side or a angle. So we are proving that OB and OE are equal. तो साइड तो ऑलरेडी आपको प्रूव करना है, तो वो तो यूज नहीं कर सकते आप, और ना अदरवाइज OB and OD and OC भी नहीं दिया हुआ है, इसका मतलब आपको एक एंगल फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. So when we observe both the triangle, we found these two angles are equal, angle 1 and angle 2. I'm just writing angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2, why they are equal? Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal vertically opposite angle. With the rule vertically opposite angle, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So we can say, you can see here two angle and one side, two angle and one side, but the side is not included. So we will apply here AAS congruency rule. Triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Now by CPCT we can say, OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB, or you can say CD bisect which one? AB. CD bisect. फिगर आपका दिया है, डायग्राम आपका दिया है, तो आपका 50% वर्क तो वही हो जाता है. नाउ मूव ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.